Hello guys, today we have this car for polishing. This is Nissan Patrol SUV. This came for polishing. We will be using the as usual polish for with Kochchemie. So first of all, we will be using tape to cover all the stickers. We will be using tapes over here. As you can see, the car is clean, but there are scratches. Here the paint is already gone. I think due to a small accident, or it may be crushed into someone's car or maybe pole. So here the paint is already gone. We can see over here the paint is a little gone, so it cannot be fixed. So moving on, this side, this both the headlights of this car has installed PPF. The customer said to remove the PPF, so we have removed the PPF, but the glue still remains. So we'll be removing this glue, and we will be, after removing this glue, we'll be installing tapes over here over the side of the glasses before start polishing, and we will be using this tape. So before this car came into this room, we have cleaned this car thoroughly, and we have also used the clay bar so that the the rough surfaces become smooth. As you can see, we use clay bar so that the rough surfaces which may cause the scratches on the surfaces. So we will be using tape over here, and as usual you can see we have used tape over here. This tape we use is so that the dust particles from the polished products, such as high cut, cannot go inside this corner. And here as usual we have this usual guy with us. Vishwas, say hi. Okay, so he is using tape to cover up all these plastics. Over here we will be covering all this logo. Over here we have already covered this, and we have these two friends with us. He is a friend of Vishwas. Say hi, both of you say hi. Okay, so we will be removing this cover, and we will be also removing this tire so that we can polish inside. We will be covering the edges with tapes as well. This logo will be covering this sticker with tape, so that when we use the polish or polish, it cannot rip it out. Okay, so let's see how the car looks after the polishing. And the rims of this car, the rims is repainted. So he said that it's been repainted maybe 1 or 2 years ago, so we will not be using any kind of polish. But for tire, we will be using the tire polish. We will be cleaning this tire, and after that let's see how the car goes. I hope you enjoy. And as usual, the chemical we will be using is this H9. Earlier we have used H901. For now we will be using H902, which is the newer version, and followed by P301. P302 is also available, but after finishing this whole bottle we will be moving with P3. I hope this goes well. Thank you. So as you can see, I have already applied the H9 over here, and it's a bit clean. Let me show you the difference. This is the clean light, and this is the before, what looks like before when you use the 2000 grit paper along with a 1500 grit paper, and this is what after we have polished the headlight. So this is how it looks, and we'll be doing the other light as same as this one, and I hope the customer also love it. So guys, we have cleaned both the lights, and now we will be removing the stickers from the doors of this car. I think I will be removing all the stickers, and after that we will be going with using P3 from Kochchemie. And here is the P3 from Kochchemie, and we'll be using this pad for for this polish. It gives a smooth finish, and with that we'll be completing this car polishing of this car. And the customer also visited a few minutes ago, and he told that the car looks good. And after that I think 1 hour he will come back to get this car. I think we will be finishing within an hour or hour and a half. After that we'll be going to deliver. So the car is finished, and look the car. Abang polis din?
لا ما بيزين تعبان زياده كله تعبان ايوه شو هذا شغل بوش سوي مضبوط شغل
Okay, so this is the finished version of this car. The polish has been finished, and the customer came for the delivery. And here we are. This is the finished car. We have also polished this. We have polished the car. We have cleaned the glasses, and the car is ready to go. And let's see. Thank you for watching.